Hi there. Let's sow soy cabbage using soy block maker. I've been using this tool for 2 months and I can see pros and cons. It's very quick. It took me 90 seconds to make 20 blocks. Blocks have a hole and you don't have to use pots anymore. But you have to use strength to compact the soil into this contraption. If soil block isn't dense enough, it will be washed away while watering. But if blocks are compact, plants will grow roots. Rooted blocks are very easy to put them into the ground. It's much easier than taking out plants from a pot, because there is no pot. At the end I'll show you how good blocks look like after 2 weeks. And these are washed away while watering. Thanks for watching.